Hey guys, Alex here. So today I'm going to show you how to easily and quickly export your Premiere Pro project for audio mixing using OMF file. Here we go. So I'll use this session as an example. This one is around 10 minutes long. You go at export, you choose OMF, and then you name it Adobe export OMF. Not OMG, OMF. And the sample rate, you want to keep it the same as you were. And then you want to choose the best bit per sample. What you want to be sure to choose is embed audio. So the audio follows the OMF and are embedded into the OMF file. So basically when you send the OMF file, you send the audio at the same time to the audio mixer. And then you could copy the complete audio files, but the trim audio files might be enough if you just put a little handle frames. So this one depends on what is the number of frames per second that you have. So right now this session is at 25 frames per second, so 50 frames is 2 seconds. So you might want to give at least 1 or 2 seconds to the audio mixer so he can be able to do crossfade. You could use copy complete audio files, but it will copy the entire audio file. So if you just took like a 1 second part of a shot that was like 10 minutes, it will include the 10 minutes of this audio file. So it will make the file much bigger. So yeah, that's as easy as it is. And then you press OK. You choose a place where you want to export it. Right now it will be that. And it will take like 10-15 seconds. It's not that bad. And that's the information of your session. And if you're sending your session to an audio mixer, just make sure to send a video file of your session. But you don't need it to be really high quality. In fact, you don't want it to be really high quality because he only needs it as a reference and he only have like a little box in his window. And it will assure you that he doesn't upload it, and you could even put some stuff over it just to be sure. So when you just import that for the audio mixer, you'll want to put it maybe the same name, test video reference. You want to undergrade it, so maybe just put it at 720p. And you don't need that. You don't need the maximum render quality, and you can even put that at like 5 or even less. 1 pass is enough. The really important thing is you don't have a too big file at the end because you want it to be easy to just send it. So 400 megabytes is quite enough. I already exported it before, so here it is. 300 kilobyte, and you add this and this to file, and it's not even 1 gigabyte, so you can use WeTransfer to export it pretty easily. Just as an example, I'll show you how it looks when you import it in a DAW. I use Pro Tools. People can use other one as Cubase or whatever. What the audio engineer will receive is this, and this. You can make those into a zip. It will be easier to send. And he'll receive that. There is some information about the session and the start time and everything. And he'll receive this and this. So yeah, as you can see, I have all the audio file. They are all cut. So I can still work on it a little bit if I want to do crossfade on those like this, let's say. What I don't have in the OMF is the video file. So I'll import it as well. So here I am. I have the video reference and the audio file. And I also have reference audio. So maybe it can be useful just to make sure that everything is in sync. But yeah. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you did enjoy the video. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.